What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you to replace the air cabin filter on a Kia Carnival. You're going to open the glove box, empty all the contents of the glove box, go on the floor or on the chair, and you're going to come around to the right side of the glove box. You're going to see this little hook. You're going to push this together and pull this plastic piece out. So let me try doing that with one hand. There it goes. Comes out. After you do that, you're going to want to pinch the side, both sides together if you could. After it drops down, you're going to see this compartment over here. Drops down. Sorry, the video stopped recording when I actually pinched both sides to break it down, but you're going to see this over here, this cover, and you're going to have this on it. Push this together and pull outwards. This will slide right out, and that will reveal your air cabin filter, which came right from in here. You're going to slide that out. Make sure you check where the airflow goes. Airflow should be pointed downwards when you install your new one. Here's what we got on the old one. Looks like it's time to change. All right, so this is the new one right here. We got the airflow going downwards, but this one actually gets installed sideways. You'll know because if you push it in, it goes in way too easily, and you're leaving some space opened. You'll know it's not filtering the air, so that's how you know you have to put it in sideways. Here we go. You're just gonna push back and forth each side until it goes all the way in. It's there. Once you hook that in, just simply going to press this back into place, and it will snap back in. Hopefully. There we go. Not the loudest snap I was hoping for, but a little snap, just to reassure you that it's back in. Now, after you replace this, you're going to want to make sure to put the AC on full blast. Make sure you didn't drop any leaves down into the blower motor. If you did, then you're going to hear leaves and things like that. So that's how you double check it, and that's all there is to that. Thanks for watching.